Have you ever noticed something strange in your home? Your kitchen knife stays bright and shiny year after year, but a simple iron nail left outside slowly turns into a reddish, flaky disaster. Both are metals, both contain iron, so why does one survive moisture while the other seems to fall apart? The answer is not magic. It is chemistry, smart design, and one quiet hero element that changes everything. Let's uncover why stainless steel refuses to rust. To understand stainless steel, we first need to understand rust itself. Rust forms when iron reacts with oxygen and water. That reaction creates iron oxide, the reddish-brown substance that eats away at metal over time. And rust is not just a surface problem. As it forms, it expands, cracks the metal, and exposes fresh iron underneath. That fresh iron then rusts too. It is a chain reaction. Once rust starts, it rarely stops on its own. Regular steel is mostly iron with a small amount of carbon, but defenseless against oxygen and moisture. Stainless steel is not a pure metal. It is an alloy, a carefully engineered mix of elements. The most important one is chromium. If steel contains at least about 10% chromium, everything changes. When chromium meets oxygen, something remarkable happens. Instead of flaking apart like rust, it forms an ultra-thin, invisible layer called chromium oxide. You can't see it, you can't feel it, but it's there, tightly bonded to the surface. This layer blocks oxygen and water from reaching the iron underneath. No oxygen, no rust. And here is the truly clever part. If the surface gets scratched, the chromium reacts with oxygen again and rebuilds the layer automatically. In a way, stainless steel heals itself. Rust is weak and crumbly. Chromium oxide is stable and stubborn. Rust spreads and destroys, but chromium oxide stays put and protects. That single difference is why stainless steel lasts for decades, while ordinary steel slowly falls apart. Chromium does most of the heavy lifting, but it is not working alone. Many stainless steels also include nickel, which improves toughness and corrosion resistance. Molybdenum adds extra protection in harsh environments, especially salty air and seawater. Other elements fine-tune strength, flexibility, and durability. That's why there is not just one type of stainless steel. Different jobs demand different recipes. Despite the name, stainless steel is not completely indestructible. In extreme conditions, especially around saltwater or chemicals, corrosion can still occur. Sometimes it appears as tiny pits rather than widespread rust. That's why marine-grade stainless steel contains extra molybdenum. It's built to survive brutal environments. Another thing people often misunderstand is surface contamination. If stainless steel rubs against regular steel, tiny iron particles can stick to it. Those particles can rust and make it look like the stainless steel is failing. In reality, the steel underneath is still protected. A proper cleaning usually solves the problem. And surface finish matters too. Highly polished stainless steel resists corrosion better than rough finishes. Fewer microscopic cracks means fewer places for moisture and contaminants to hide. That's why surgical tools, kitchen appliances, and medical equipment are often mirror smooth. Because of these properties, stainless steel shows up everywhere. In kitchens, hospitals, bridges, buildings, and trains. Even in spacecraft. Any place where metal must be strong, long-lasting, and resistant to corrosion, stainless steel is the quiet backbone. Here is a fascinating twist from history. Stainless steel was not planned. It was discovered by accident. In 1913, an English metallurgist named Harry Brearley was testing steel alloys for gun barrels. One sample, rich in chromium, refused to rust. That unexpected behavior sparked a revolution in material science, and the world has relied on stainless steel ever since. So why doesn't stainless steel rust? Because chromium creates a self-protecting shield that blocks oxygen and moisture, a shield that repairs itself and that turns ordinary iron into one of the most reliable materials ever made. From a kitchen sink to a towering bridge, stainless steel quietly does its job every day. Next time you see it shine, remember that beneath that surface is a perfect balance of chemistry, engineering, and human curiosity.